Alright, so I normally order on Amazon or on AliExpress, and the shipping company that I use, I wasn't pleased with them. So a friend of mine told me about this Shop and Relax company that I can use, and trust me, they're awesome. I ordered a few packages, and a couple of times I was at school, and within the promised time that I was promised my package, it was delivered to me at school. I normally pay using debit card, credit card, or you can pay using a PayPal. As well, you don't have to worry about delivery whether you're at school, whether you're at home, or you're at work. With Shop and Relax, you can shop and relax. It's a one time payment, there is no extra charge for delivery. Shop and Relax is the way to go.